Hello and welcome to this video on how to make your advert show on WhatsApp status, which is the newest update or one of the newest updates when it comes to Facebook, Instagram advert setup. So you start like this. You click on your create ad and you go to the engagement section. Now you can see I'm using manual engagement campaigns. I don't know if it works for the tailored one, so this is just the method I majorly go through to set it up. And for this ad to work, you must make sure that there must be a WhatsApp number already linked to your account. So you choose the page that you want to choose. I want to use a page that already has a number. And you would have to, this is how you do this setup. You would have to show that you have to choose the Instagram and the WhatsApp number and the WhatsApp option. And also note that the WhatsApp has to be a business WhatsApp. A normal WhatsApp will not work. It has to be a business WhatsApp. So after this, you might want to. What I always do is I always remove this because there are some people that I want to be able to measure the result I get fully. So you just choose the age range you want. Although you can decide to leave this, so you just choose the range you want, but the most important aspect is the placements. So to make your WhatsApp show, to make your advert show on WhatsApp, it has to you have to show it on Instagram stories as well. So you can remove all this. You can remove all this. The most important in all this thing is your Instagram stories. You can remove all this. So the only thing that will be left to be Instagram stories and WhatsApp status. So these two. So automatically your advert will show on WhatsApp status and your advert will show on Instagram stories. Disregard all this. Sometimes it's as a result of, so you can just choose the Instagram feedback. So you can remove it from one by one like this so that you don't have that error showing again. And the last one, Instagram feeds. So you can see that it's already showing that pop-up. Sometimes this error just pop up, so eventually you have only two options that is active in the ad or in the session. You can see only two, which is that Instagram stories and the WhatsApp status. So that's the way to set up if you want to um ad to show on WhatsApp status. To get you more clarity, when I mean that you can run your WhatsApp anywhere in this campaign objective, that WhatsApp is part of the option. Like this traffic now, you can see WhatsApp there. Engagement, you can see WhatsApp there. Leads, you can see WhatsApp there. Including sales, you can see WhatsApp there. There is high likelihood that you can use those objectives to run adverts to drive people from your WhatsApp status to wherever you want to take them to. Let me give you an instance. This is sales now. We all know the objective of sales is to make sales. So just to cut down to that, although the criteria or the way you get to that level might be different from each other. So let's go to the ad set section under sales. So you've chosen message. So the only way for anything you'll be able to do that is you must be choosing message objective. So want to choose an account that has WhatsApp. Excuse me. Just to have that. All you just have to do is, even without adjusting what I did above, the moment you come here and you've seen WhatsApp as the option, next thing you want to go to the placement to confirm your stuff, you'll see WhatsApp stories. That is that about that. So let's go and do for let's say traffic now. Let's go and do for traffic. And you go there as well. And you click on next. The moment it is message objective, you go down. Let's go and check, and you check your manual placement. Because there's no WhatsApp number in this profile, so we have to choose an account that has a WhatsApp profile, a WhatsApp number. So, and I've explained earlier that it has to be a business WhatsApp. So when we come now, you see, you can see WhatsApp. So when you toggle it now, okay. So when you toggle it now, it goes to the status. You see WhatsApp status there. When you go to which other one has let's check leads. Check that too. And you move your accounts. You choose messenger. You choose you'll see WhatsApp directly. You can see WhatsApp itself directly. So you want to use a page that has a WhatsApp. So because if it doesn't have a WhatsApp, there is no way. Even if you decide to run it, it will tell you you cannot do that because you have to connect a number to it. Because when they are showing your advert on WhatsApp status, you can see when they are showing your advert on WhatsApp status, it is that number or the name that is on that number that is going to be reflecting. That's the reason why in recent times you might have seen that they are also asking you to select your WhatsApp username ground on. So they just want to make everything be name related. So whereby when you search for Mox and Shorts, or when you search for Yusuf Onabekun, or when you search for Facebook, it is going to be Facebook on WhatsApp, Facebook on Instagram, Facebook um on their Facebook platform. So that's that about that. Thank you.